Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life, and in today's video we thought we would share with you all a delicious vegan Oreo Traybake recipe. This recipe is absolutely delicious and quite easy too, isn't it?
It is. It's one that you do enjoy making with me. We haven't had it for a while.
We haven't.
So I thought it'd be a really good one to get all the ingredients in for us to make and share with everyone too.
Absolutely. And so wonderful as well, Mam, with a brilliant idea after having my moulding.
Definitely, I thought it was something really nice and comforting for you to have. We've just had a new moulding a few days ago. Shall we link the video?
Absolutely. Shall we get everything ready as well?
I think that's a great idea. I've already got some things out ready. Shall we get baking?
Yes, please. We're preheating the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. We've just added the 120 ml of your chosen oil. We've now added the 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Now adding the 400 ml tin of coconut milk. Next is the 250 grams of brown sugar. We thought we'd use half brown sugar and half coconut sugar. Whisking everything together. It's time to crush 100 grams of vegan Oreos.
Which works out to be about 9. And we'll put these to one side and start measuring out the other ingredients.
Absolutely. We're now breaking up the 200 grams of vegan dark chocolate for it to be melted. We're melting it in a bowl over some boiling water, but you could do this in a microwave.
Whenever you need my guidance, whenever I can hold you still, then all we know is when we get there, through anything and back again. And if you knew the way you get me, whatever we were born to do, then all we know is when we get there, the desert won't be anything.
All melted. Now time to add the melted chocolate.
Whisk all this together, and then time to add in the 350 grams of self-raising flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt.
Time is free, then why is it so precious? Oh, I'll save memories in my head, like Polaroids on walls. They remind you to look ahead.
Time to add the flour, salt and baking powder. Oh, that vegan chocolate is really lovely, Mum.
I thought that's where you'd gone to. So go and make sure it's nice. That's good.
He said,
to forget the crushed Oreos. Won't be an Oreo Traybake without the Oreos.
That's right. And then just a few Oreos before it goes in the oven as well.
Oh, I love the sound.
That's it.
Smell as well.
Smells amazing. Which isn't all mixed in. And then come into the lined baking tray. Can do these as muffins as well. We like it as a tray bake.
We absolutely do. Time now to spoon the mixture in.
I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly.
Now time to place some Oreos in so the mixture comes up and over it.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand.
This is a good part, isn't it?
It is.
I think the best part is getting some of the mixture on your fingers.
Yes, definitely.
Now time to pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. If you're doing them as muffins, it'll be 15. Oh my gosh, it smells absolutely incredible.
It really does. Yep, it's all done.
Great. Just about to try it. Oh, smells amazing. It tastes absolutely wonderful. There's a wonderful chocolatey taste, a little bit of like a fudgy taste too. And it's so lovely and gooey in the middle too. It's incredible.
Should go and enjoy it.
Yes, please. We really hope that you all enjoyed this video. It's always absolutely delicious, isn't it, Mum?
We always enjoy the Oreo tray bake.
We really hope that you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on our journey. This time in the comments, we'd love to know what you enjoy baking and what recipes do you hope to see on the channel in the future.
They're great questions.
We really hope to see you all here again next time. Bye! Take care!
And there's light